Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is some serious cleaning motivation. As you can see, I have allowed mess to happen and I am absolutely carefree. The night before, I relaxed with my kids, sat down and watched a movie, completely uninterrupted, chatted with my 3.5-year-old, which is always interesting. I usually just speed clean and surface clean my way through the week, and on weekends I focus more on deep cleaning and preparing myself for the next week. This is what works for me, and I know a lot of us are busy moms and you want your home to be clean and organized, but don't ever let anyone make you feel bad for the state of your home. It's your home, you clean when you see fit. Yes, I love cleaning and I love motivating you guys to get up and clean, but I am a real person and I show you the real mess. If you are new to my channel and you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Starting off in my kitchen, I'm cleaning this area of the countertop to place clean dishes and put them away. Then I'm going to load the dishwasher and hand wash whatever is left over, then continue on with my usual kitchen cleaning routine.
Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today. Don't you come running back now. I'm not a home for the shame. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, blame no one but you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, gave my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
One way I make it through long stretches of cleaning at home with the kids is feeding them fruit. A bowl of pineapple will keep the boy quiet for at least 20 minutes, and I can cover a lot of ground in 20 minutes.
Thrill is gone.
everything on top of the washer and dryer so I can come in at the end and sweep and mop. While Sultan picks up her toys, I want to show you guys this plant that I found at Home Depot. This is my first attempt at keeping a real plant alive, and it's seriously easy to care for, it's beautiful, and it has health benefits. I still have to get a pot for it, and I may buy another one. I shared this on my Insta story a few days ago, and a few of you actually went out and got one, which I think is so cool. It's called a yucca. It's only $11.48, which I think is a great deal, and the benefits make it totally worth a try. Moving on into my kids/guest bathroom, which I did a video on. I'll link it for you guys down below if you have not seen that one. I clean in here every other day, if not every day. My girls are in and out of here throughout the day. All three of my kids take a bath in here, not at the same time. And this bathroom is what my guests will use, so I make sure to keep it clean and fresh.
Can we ride in this moment? Can we ride? Nothing's stopping us tonight. No, not a single bright light in our sight, in our way, in our way. I'll be your passenger. You lead the way. You lead the way. I'll let you take the wheel. I'm feeling something real. I need to feel that breeze rush up me. Not a single taillight in our sight, in our way. All I see are green lights ahead, lighting our way. Lighting up our way, yeah. Lighting up our way. Lighting up our way.
Trying to make my bed is always a struggle, not only because my kids jump all over it, but I didn't like these sheets. I bought them about a month ago, and when I put them on, you can tell I'm kind of indecisive. They didn't match my quilt, and I just thought, let me throw them on, see how I feel, but I'll most likely change them.
Tonight, no, not a single red light in our sight, in our way, yeah. I'll be your passenger. You lead the way. I'll let you take the wheel. I'm feeling something real. I need to feel that breeze rush over me. You lead the way. Not a single taillight in our sight, in our way. All I see are green lights ahead, lighting our way. Lighting up, yeah. Lighting away.
I really just gave everything a quick wipe down and put a few things away in my room. And also, you guys always ask me about my bed frame and my bed set. I don't know the name for it. I know, disappointing just like the couch, but I don't know the name, you guys. If I ever figure it out, I will let you guys know.
I'll be your passenger. You lead the way.
I actually did a lot of laundry on this day, about 6 to 7 loads. 2 of them were my couch covers, and I also did wash my throw pillows that could be washed and throw blankets. But I had a massive heap of clothing to fold, which I'll show at the end, and another basket that I did not fold that waited until the next day. That is it for this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and I will make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.